How to create cinematic AI videos in Kling AI. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can create cinematic AI videos in Kling AI. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started. Now to create cinematic AI videos on Kling AI, first of all, launch the Kling AI app. Make sure that you're signed into your account. You must have your story locked down and character consistency first before using the Video 3.0 element binding feature. You have to structure your prompts using the scene, characters, action, camera and audio framework. You have to set the aspect ratio to 16:9, choose a 10 to 15 second duration and enable multi-shot controls. In order for us to do this, we'll just select this option right here from the bottom, which is the plus icon, and here you can see various options. What I will do is I'll go to this option called AI video. Now from here you want to go to the tab called motion control, and after you go to motion control, from the top right hand side select the element called Video 3.0 with upgraded motion capture and high facial consistency. Here you want to add your character image and any of the other image that you might want. You can also add motion video if you have any sort of videos. Then you can simply type in a prompt. You have to outline the narrative in your prompt, bind the elements, and you have to also define the attributes. After you've done all that, to select the settings, from the bottom you can see the output settings, the generation parameters as we call it. After you select that, with the mode and variations and the sounds, you can finally hit the generate button from the bottom of the screen. That way you can create cinematic AI videos in Kling AI. Hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.